A federal judge has rejected Minnesota's attempt to force Texas to immediately extradite ICE agent Christian Castro, who faces criminal charges connected to a January shooting in Minneapolis. Minnesota alleges Castro shot Julio Cesar Sosa Celis and then falsely reported the circumstances of the incident. Castro faces multiple second-degree assault charges and a charge of falsely reporting a crime. Minnesota's Attorney General Keith Ellison sought a court order requiring Texas Governor Greg Abbott to proceed with the extradition and preventing Castro's release from custody. U.S. District Judge Fernando Rodriguez Jr. ruled that Minnesota's case was premature because Abbott had not formally refused the extradition request and was still reviewing whether Castro legally qualifies as a fugitive. The judge said existing law does not impose a specific deadline on the governor to make that decision. The ruling became especially significant because Texas law limits how long someone can be held on an extradition warrant. Castro was subsequently released from a Texas jail after his detention period expired, while the dispute over whether he will ultimately be sent to Minnesota remains unresolved. Minnesota officials had argued he could be a flight risk, while Texas officials questioned whether the circumstances legally justified extradition. The judge did not decide that Castro is innocent or dismiss the Minnesota criminal charges. The decision was about whether a federal court could force Texas to extradite him immediately. And the judge said Minnesota had not yet met the legal requirements for that intervention. So what they're saying is, no, we're not doing anything. My whole thing is Minnesota wants everybody to play nice with them, but they don't want to play nice with everyone else. When the federal government and ICE asked them to turn over illegal immigrants and illegal aliens and all that shit, they said, no, we're not going to do that. But now all of a sudden, they want an ICE agent immediately sent to them by extradition. They are going to make an example out of Christian Castro. We're going to show you that nobody is above the law, and we're going to make an example. We're going to show you guys that we're the law around here. They're stupid. If they would have done what they were supposed to and helped the federal government out, maybe Texas would have helped them out and maybe sent Christian Castro back. But for now, I don't see it happening. So, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.